When you think of pioneering electric vehicles, what springs to mind? Probably not the ice cream truck behind us.
We're getting ice cream?
So this cool creation uses recycled batteries and solar panels to cut localised air pollution.
So, where's the ice cream?
The industry is in crisis at the moment because diesel is about to be banned from many major European cities, and that has a huge impact on people who sell ice creams.
Mate, I reckon they should ban your incessant yapping. Hey, ice cream! Finally.
Finn, what's missing?
Mate, there's no bunny banana flavour.
No, you idiot. There's no fumes, there's no noise. That's because this doesn't need a diesel motor to run a generator to run the freezer. This has got to be the future, unless you miss the smell of diesel.
No, definitely not.
Enjoying the ice cream there? Somebody has to do some work. Anyway, at the back of the NV van, you will find the Rome battery cells. Now they're lifted from a Nissan LEAF, and they're around 1.4 kilowatt hour battery cell, so it's not the total battery from a LEAF, but it takes only around 2 hours from a conventional plug socket to charge, or it can be fed electricity from the solar cells on the top of the roof here to make it totally sustainable.
Can you give me another one?
You won't eat lunch.
Still a bit peckish. On a more serious note, one of the really cool things about this van is that even when you're not selling ice cream, the solar panels on the roof are doing their work, and you can sell energy back into the grid. So, even when you're not working, you're still making money, which is perfect for someone like me. Riddle me this, John. I don't see any speakers. When I was a kid, I knew exactly where the van was because of that sweet, sweet siren song.
Well, funny you should say that, because this plays a digital melody.
What?
Because since most 5-year-olds have iPhones nowadays, it just tweets its location. Simple as that. How futuristic.
Different. This is all well and good, but I'm eating this ice cream out of a paper container. Imagine there was some sort of edible container you could eat the ice cream out of.
You're talking about a cone. You're literally talking about a cone.
Sustainability. That's brilliant.
So it's hard not to be impressed by Nissan's concept for a pure electric ice cream truck. In fact, Finn, you could say they've taken the ICE, internal combustion engine, out of the ice cream truck.
I'm taking the ice cream out of the ice cream truck.
Yeah.